Hey all, welcome to Tint Taste Tour. Today we'll be seeing how to make a cherry blossom tree. The flowers we'll be making using cotton swabs or cotton buds, and also we'll see in detail how to make this wonderful trunk. So to start with, I'm using black color plus I've mixed a little brown color in it and more of water on the brush. So that's how we'll be making the branches of the trunk or the tree. Once the outline of all the branches is done, I will use some darker or opaque colors, which is again brown plus black most of the time, and create shades for the trunk using these colors. Once this first layer of color dries off, we'll start with the detailing for the trunk. And for the detailing, I am using less water on the brush, so make sure you wipe off all of the water on the brush and then dip it in color and then create shades or textures for the tree. For textures, I am using dark brown color, which is mostly brown color mixed with a little black, and in some places it's gray color, black plus a little white, and that's how we are going to create textures all over the tree. Whenever you look at a tree trunk, it never has a plain texture. It's always a little rough texture wherein there'll be shades of white, black as well as gray along with the brown color. So that's what we are trying to achieve here. We are not going to overcrowd the bottom of the trunk with grass, only some strokes here and there. So for this, what you need to do is hold the brush at an angle and slightly press it when it's at the bottom, and then quickly give a stroke moving in the upward direction, which means that as you're moving in the upward direction, the pressure on the paper will reduce. So as I said, for making the cherry blossom flowers, we are going to use cotton swabs. For this, I'm using around 7 cotton swabs and I've tied them together using a rubber band. And the colors I am using are dark pink, light pink and white. So initially we'll start with dark pink and light pink shade and cover the entire tree, that is all of the branches, with these colors. I guess in some places these cotton swabs are also known as earbuds or cotton buds. Once you're satisfied with the way the tree has been covered with this pinkish shade, then let the paint dry for some time. Meanwhile, for the next step, I'll dismantle this cotton swab bundle, and then we'll be using just one of the cotton swab. The other end of it, I'll apply some white color, and I am just randomly adding some dots here and there using this of white color. And make sure you don't press the cotton swab too much, Once these white dots dry off, add the dark pink color dots randomly to complete the tree. And for the drill, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and also click on the notification bell. If you do try out this super easy technique, do share it on my social media handles like Instagram or my Facebook page with #10tasteTour. Stay tuned for part 3 of this tutorial.